Ranky Tanky, we are a quintet from Charleston, South Carolina. We represent musically the Gullah community. Gullah is basically this community of islands just off of the main land of the United States. You have all of these tiny little islands just off of the coast. And these islands were home to descendants of former Western African slaves. The Gullah community is still very much present in the Lowcountry where we're from. And education is very important to us. Spreading the knowledge of the Gullah community to folks that may not have heard about it.
We go from a single clap, and then you have one of the leaders or elders of the church, they'll go, and everybody will go there, you know. Okay, now stay there, stay right there. Now we have this called the
The Gullah Geechee people have had such a profound impact on American history, and their narrative isn't really told. So it's just amazing to be able to see and learn more about that.
We interpret songs, kids' games, poems, and sort of give them more of a contemporary style.
Their work right now is #1 on the jazz charts. I mean, it's just an amazing experience to have them here. Once you know what a Gullah rhythm is, and you're like, oh, okay, I can hear it in my jazz, I can hear it in my rock. And now to be able to include Ranky Tanky's performance here on campus into the curriculum for next semester will just add another layer to our understanding of Gullah culture.
That's all right.
All of that.